2023 Equity Bank Wings to Fly Scholarship Application Form. Guidelines on how to apply. Requirements, what it covers and deadline. Let's go and see what is next. For KCP applicants who will begin secondary school in 2023, the 2023 Equity Wings to Fly Scholarship application process is now open online. The links to the online form downloads and the shortened application process are provided in the description panel. What is the Equity Wings to Fly Scholarship? The Wings to Fly Scholarship Program, an initiative of the Equity Group and MasterCard Foundation MCF, was established to support secondary education for top-performing children from financially challenged backgrounds. With support from other partners, the program offers access to leadership training to previously marginalized children in all counties. Qualification requirements for the Equity Wings to Fly Scholarship 2023. You may or may not be eligible for the Wings to Fly 2023 scholarship, depending on a number of factors, such as 1. You must be in the top 5th percentile in your sub-county in terms of marks. 2. You must be from an economically disadvantaged background, orphan, guardians with disability and can't support you, parents with chronic illness, disabled needy parents. 3. You must be a Kenyan citizen. 4. You must have your result slip. Required documents. 1. KCP results slip. 2. Signed declaration by parent guardian. 3. Evidence of financial support in case the applicant has received support in the past. 4. Copy of death certificate in case mother or father deceased. 5. Payslip or bank statement if parents or guardians are employed or into the business. 6. Duly filled application and recommendation form by head teacher, religious leader, etc. What Wings to Fly scholarship cover? Once you are awarded the Wings to Fly scholarship, you will enjoy the following benefits. 1. Tuition fees payment for 4 years. 2. Books up to Form 4. School uniforms up to Form 4. 3. Transportation and pocket money up to Form 4. 2023 Equity Wings to Fly Scholarship application process. Use the steps below in the description to complete the online application for the Wings to Fly Scholarship 2023. 1. Go to Form page, Wings to Fly application forms online link to register by entering valid email and phone number. 3. You will receive activation code via email. 4. Enter the confirmation code. 5. Click Activate Account. 6. Proceed with filling your application details, academic, family information and evidence of needy. 7. Download recommendation and declaration form. Fill it. Scan and upload it. 8. Click Save Changes. You are done. Lastly, but not the least, don't forget to like the video and to share your loved ones. Thank you so much. Finish your application before it's too late. And don't forget me to give your subscription. Happy New Year 2023.